Hi guys, wanted to go over some of the results of the 2025 summer real estate market in the Prince Albert and area. We've got some data that we can look at. We can do a little bit of predicting, and I can tell you what I'm seeing here going into the fall, and also a little bit of an interest rate update for you guys. So first data point we'll look at are sales. As you can see, we rode that hot spring we had into June with 28% higher sales in June compared to last June in 2024. Continued riding that high, cooled off a little bit into July with 4.2% higher than last year. And then we dropped a little bit in August. Definitely noticed that. It was much busier in the early months of the summer, very busy. Things progressively cooled off over the summer. Us realtors got to enjoy the summer a little bit, which was great. And I can tell you September has been very, very busy. And there'll be more info on that in the coming months. That leads us to about a 9% increase in last year over the summer compared to last summer in terms of sales. And we are almost 18% higher compared to the 10-year average. So obviously it's a very, very busy time in the market compared to the last 10 years in Prince Albert. So some interesting statistics in the new listings category in our area. In June, we were down almost 18%. Then we completely reversed, went up almost 25% in July, and then down about 11.5% in August. So when we average that out over 3 months, we're looking at a 2.2% decrease in the amount of new listings coming to market compared to 2024. And a 5% decrease compared to a 10-year average. Why is that important? We'll find out in the next clip. So when we have above average sales figures and below average new listings, that means we're selling more homes than we're bringing into the market. We're going to have a depleted inventory. And that's exactly what we are seeing over the course of this past summer. So we're down almost 31% compared to last year in June. 23% in July, and almost 20% in August, for a 3-month average of a 25% decrease in an already depleted 2024 inventory level. As you can see, we've got 52% less than the 10-year average in terms of inventory, in terms of homes on the market that are available for buyers to buy. Very much need those new listings. If you're looking to sell, call me. We need your house on the market. It is a seller's market right now. Buyers need to be working with a qualified agent to be able to get that home because it's very competitive. Also, what do you get when you have a strong sales demand and a low inventory level? Let's check it out on the next clip. So to do the math on our next question we just had in the previous clip, what happens when we have strong sale demand and depleted inventory levels? Prices go up, competition goes up, lack of available housing is in demand, and people start to pay more for those houses that are available. In June, we saw a staggering 28% increase coming out of that hot spring market compared to last June. Things were steady in July, and then things dipped slightly in August, just from a lack of activity, I think. Still, when we average those numbers out over 3 months, we get an almost 8% increase in price, which is definitely what I'm seeing in the market. Houses are going for more than they've ever gone in our area. And we're up almost 21% with our average price compared to the 10-year average. Very much what I'm seeing, we're seeing houses that used to go in the low 3s, go in the low 4s. It's been very, very busy. It's very competitive. And if you are looking to move and if you're looking to sell, give me a call. We need your house on the market. And it's a very good time. Last thing, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an interest rate update for those of you who aren't maybe seeing that on some of your social media feeds. The Bank of Canada cut the key interest rate down another 1/4 point to 2.5%. This was the first cut they've done since March. The reason being, they stated that they're starting to see some of the effects of the economy slowing a little bit, growth slowing a little bit, mostly due to some of the tariffs and stuff like that that's obviously going on in our world these days. We're hoping in the real estate market world, there's lots of speculation by the smart people in the room as far as rates go, that we're hoping to start seeing mortgage rates in the 3s for some people. Some people are getting those rates, some people aren't. So hopefully that can keep our market moving ahead. Personally, I think things are very, very busy, even though rates aren't what they used to be. And you know what they say, when rates go down, prices go up in the real estate market. So again, time to act fast. If you're looking to buy and if you're looking to sell, it's a great time. Give me a call. I'm sure you'll be happy with the value I'll tell you as far as what your house is worth. And I hope you guys found this video informative. And if you did, please share it or feel free to ask me questions. And again, if you guys ever need any real estate help, happy to be here and happy to be of assistance and would love an opportunity to earn your business.